Yo, welcome back. Oh my gosh, we need to record. Hold on. Oh shoot, bro. Alright, this is a trade recap. This is a little trade recap because yeah, we made another trade after we ended the market analysis. So let's just go over this trade real quick. So we hit this trade, and then as you know from the market analysis, we we got stopped out at break even, which is pretty rough. Our trade was like this here. I don't remember where exactly our stop loss was. Oh, wait, it was off like this gap. So, or wait, where did I put it? Wait, this is weird. Hold on. I don't know where we put it. Oh, I think it was here actually. That would make sense. Yes, okay. Yeah. As you know, bro, we got edged really hard here. I thought we were gonna hit our take profit, honestly. I was like, yo, this looks pretty good, bro. And then we just didn't hit it. So that was rough. But I was like, it's whatever. Oh yeah, I thought we were gonna hit it. Obviously, we were stops to break even. Got stopped out of break even. So that was rough. And my original thought was kind of right. Like I was just surprised that we left session low hanging, on NQ like that. And we actually did end up taking it out. So it's all right. And then later, I was kind of just looking in the market, and I was like, wait, I like this reversal here. I like how we came up so much, right? I like how we came up so much here. We're about to inverse this hourly gap, right? And we still haven't swept all of this low resistance liquidity. And we just, we came down. We're in this daily fair value gap. We're still, we swept that daily low. We came down. We finally took out session low. Now we have a reason to go up, and we have all these highs just hanging here. So I waited a little bit. I didn't really look at the market here because like I said, I wanted to see us be already all the way up here. And then boom, I noticed like okay, we have this 5 minute gap here. And then we made this 5 minute SMT. Made this 5 minute SMT. And then we broke structure there. Um oh wait, let me think. No, my bad. We entered before the break because we made the SMT. So I was like, yo, I'm just gonna predict the break right now. This looks really good. Bang. Bullish SMT for our ES. Off the 5 minute gap. I didn't even notice we had this little 1 minute here, I'm not gonna lie. I didn't really look at the 1 minute at all, I'm not gonna lie. But after that, I was just like, okay, you know what, let's just enter this. I like this trade here. Or did we wait for the 5 minute break, bro? We can see right now, actually. No, yes, we did not wait for the 5 minute break. So, yeah, but we entered off the SMT and then we pushed up to this high. NQ did as well. No potential for SMT. I was like, that's great. I don't really see what can stop us right now. And then boom, this next candle, nothing really happened. Boom, this candle looking great, bro. We hit these equal highs, moved my stops to break even. Um, and then I just decided to take everything off here because I was like, yo, I don't, second trade of the day. I just wanted to play it safe, bro, because it was later in the day. I just didn't know what was gonna happen. We already got stopped out at break even here, and I just wanted to play it safe pretty much. So, bang, we hit our take profit, one and only one. We could have also just held it to here, but it's fine. We hit our take profit. Um, and yeah, that's pretty much it. We hit our take profit, and now we're up like 600. Yep, we're up 600 on every account, which is great. Half that in half, that's 300 multiplied by 4. We just made 1.2k today, pretty much, bro. In real money. Technically, we just made 1.2k if you think about it. So, that's literally insane, by the way. Like, that's literally insane. We don't even need this much money, bro. This is already a lot. So, yeah, that's good though. I mean, good trade here. And yeah, I was kind of just like, yo, I really want to see these highs get taken out. I really like how we're all the way up here. My original plan was to trade to these highs, and now I was like, we might finally be getting a setup. This wasn't near the PM macro, but we did have an hourly close, so that was good, I guess. We inversed that hourly gap, which was pretty bullish for me. We entered before the inverse. We entered before the inverse though, but we were already up here. We're about to close. I was like, I'm pretty sure we're gonna inverse. Same with NQ. Um, you know, Actually no, NQ wasn't a guarantee to inverse, but um, ES was, and that was enough for me. And the SMT is really that was just like really good. That just really that's like the main reason I entered the trade. If we didn't have an SMT and we just had like a 5-minute break off this Fair Value gap, I don't think I would have entered the trade. But the SMT with the 5-minute gap, with the 1 hour inverse, and the fact that we took out session low, we have all these, we have all this liquidity just waiting to get taken out. Like that was just a pretty easy trade, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah. I'll see you guys on Monday because it is the weekend. But yeah, I mean, I need to make this trade recap so that I can just say what I was thinking and we don't forget about it over the weekend. So yeah, I'll see you guys on Monday.